Every time you spit, you put the nation at risk. A single act of spitting can affect several people. Are some of the messages used by Raja Narasimhan and Preeti Raja, a Pune-based couple who are on a journey to make India a spit-free country. Covering 24 states and 6 union territories, the duo reached Shillong to spread the message of anti-spitting. While in Shillong, the couple joined a silent public rally organized by the Inner Wheel Club of Shillong with an aim of making Shillong a spit-free city and prevents the spread of disease by spitting in public.
Inner Wheel Club Shillong.
This vision of creating a spit-free city is not just about cleanliness. It's about health, hygiene, and pride that we take in our community. Let us acknowledge the health risks that spitting causes, the germs, the bacteria that is carried with the spitting,